Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. This video is a follow-up on the brake booster saga. First of all, we need to take out the seat here, the driver's seat, so that I can lay comfortably on my back here to go under the dash and to remove all the screws of the booster. So that's what we are going to do first. Stay tuned for that. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel again. Yeah, okay. So now we are going to try to take off the master cylinder, the brake cylinder here, while leaving the lines on. It has to be very carefully done, but I've seen it done before on YouTube videos, so I'm going to try that too. So, taking off the screws here, place it a bit more to the left and a bit down, so the booster can be taken out without taking off the lines here. That's what we're trying to do now. So as you can see, it is loose and the lines are still on. But there is no seal here. I don't know if that's okay this way, but you see there is some rust, and there is some rust around here too. So we will have to look that up, and I'm quite curious if there has to be a seal here. I will have to look that up. So here we are under the dash, and I'm going to try to show you where the bolts are that we have to loosen to take the booster out. So here we have the steering column, the pedal, the brake pedal, and there in the back you see one screw there, and then to the right there is the other one. And then on the top there are two more. I'm going to try to get behind the steering column. Here you see the rubber that is going into the brake booster and the lever that is coming out and has contact with the brake pedal. That has to come loose too. And then there are those bolts that has to come out. So it is very difficult to get to them, but that is what we have to do. Stay tuned for that, guys. So it took me 2 hours and 30 minutes to take out these 4 bolts, and the most difficult one that everyone said on the top left under the dash turned out to be the easiest one for me. So if I can do that with my old body, everybody can do that. But I have to admit, it is very time consuming and it is very difficult, and I feel it everywhere in my bones. So now that that is done, I took this with an elbow and a lever and some pieces that I can lengthen it. And this is the way to go. Now I have to take out the booster. That's something else. So here it is, the dirty thing. So now we have to open it and see what is wrong, and look if it is repairable or buying a new one and putting it back inside. But that's for another video. So that's for another video. So here you can see where it is fixed on the brake pedal. The brake pedal has an iron that goes between these two in this fork, and this little axis that is fixed with this kind of clip here. You have to move it a little upwards and then you can take it down, because it is behind this see this ring there. When it goes a little bit deeper, there is where it fits in the clip. And then you can take out the axis, and that's quite difficult to reach, but once you know how it works, you can remove it and take it out like this, like so. So thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, please do the same. Consider subscribing and find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And before I forget, I would like to say that there is a war going on. Everybody knows it in Ukraine, and our hearts are with the people of Ukraine. And we think it's a terrible war and it should stop as soon as possible. That being said, thank you again for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.